Prisma3D app animation modeling, all tools you need for 3D design, animate, model, render, easy character animation, create 3D models, create and animate videos in 3D, create 3D animations and models with this, no experience needed. This update contains performance and improvements and technical fixes. Try it now. Prisma3D is an easy-to-use tool to create 3D models and stunning 3D animated scenes. There are no limits to your creativity. Creating 3D worlds becomes even easier with the help of Model Store, which includes 3D characters, 3D objects, 3D object library, group and manage multiple 3D models, and so on. Quite cool, literally just AI 3D app, which you can just create. And then you can see what is your creative goal. So animate, and then you can just set it like that. And then you can select new projects, and you can just start with some projects like add animation. And basically just start playing, and yeah, then something like that. For example, with these different models, you can just try it out. So yeah, quite cool. So you can see all of the settings. Early access pro, $60 per year. So yeah, that's the idea.